I would like to welcome formally Shri D.K. Singh ji. You welcome now, ma'am, Nita Verma. And ma'am, Alka Mishra. So it just, this is a small sapling and it symbolizes that something is trying to grow. And we request all the guests on the days, please take care of our plant. So it will convert into a fruitful plant, right? So it should grow the way it should. So with the same approach, we have conceptualized this event. And I will tell you a bit about this, and after that I will invite Ms. Nita Verma to talk about the genesis and the rationale of this event. So I think a couple of months back we had a national level event called Hackathon, which was organized jointly by Planning Commission and National Informatics Center. And South Campus hosted that event, and I think from that day we started thinking on, and especially the NIC, they found out to be the most ideal place to work out such kind of activities. And in April, last week of April, we had a meeting at NIC and we discussed the possibility how we can take it forward. So that is how it conceptualized. And the basic idea behind this event is how we can take community, academia, and the government together for a cause so that we can come out with a possible solution and a most workable solution which is directly related to the community. And those solutions can be easily implemented. It could be a piece of software, it could be a piece of maybe idea. So we are working out various possibilities, and we are trying to invite ideas from all the stakeholders of the society so that we can work on those ideas and come up with some kind of a sustainable solution. So I would like to invite Ma'am Nita Verma to talk about this event.
Distinguished authorities on the dais, off the dais, my colleagues from NIC, dear students, and ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed my privilege to be speaking to you on this momentous episode, and I am extremely thankful to the Institute of Information and Communication, University of Delhi, for organizing this. Open data, or open government data, is a landmark initiative of the government which was announced through a national data sharing and accessibility policy in March 2012 nationally. As per this policy, NIC was given the responsibility of building an open data platform wherein government departments can come and contribute data sets, and citizens, researchers, academia, as well as other members of the community could come, browse through that data, they could explore the data sets, and even they could experience this data using a very uniquely in-house developed visualization engine. Data.gov.in, the data portal of India, is actually a culmination of that initiative, and it's what we call as Data Portal India or Open Data Platform. Over the time, this is where actually our initial responsibility was. But inspired by the whole initiative, we have taken it forward. My colleagues here, Mrs. Alka Mishra and D.K. Mishra, have been really passionately working for the last 6 months or so. And it is only because of their efforts, regular interaction with the departments, motivating them, supporting them in all possible ways, that today while I am standing here, we have over 800 data sets from 29 different government departments. I will actually fail in my duty if I do not mention the guidance and the encouragement we have got from our Director General, Mr. Mr. Moni, who is very glad he is there with us today. And though you'll be hearing from him shortly, but one thing which is very important in this context, that he is one person who very strongly feels that for this initiative or e-government in general, the role of student community is very important. And we as NSC should actually leverage it or sort of support this initiative. So this event actually has become very very coincidental in this philosophy too, and maybe a first step towards trying to engage with the student community in such a formal manner. Publishing data sets is one aspect, and it itself is an indication of lot of things. It's an indication of transparency in the government. It's a rich source of data for our planners, for our research community, for our decision makers. As you know, the good quality data is fundamental to any socio-economic planning, any decision making, particularly research and research-related initiatives. So that, in any case, is happening with this data already there. Large number of people are downloading and all. We thought there is a need to take it further, because if departments and our team had worked so hard, and the since data has come in open, we should try and make more and more use of it. And this is what was culmination of, or the genesis of this event, of this particular initiative. Because publishing data sets in open, or this data we feel, can be put in much more use if we can develop mashups, applications, mobile apps around this data to serve the need of citizens who cannot directly use this. If we could combine these data and come up with good e-gov applications, mobile-based applications, to cater to their day-to-day requirements in their life, this would be really wonderful. And that is what actually is the goal. And I must really congratulate Professor Sanjeev that in a short, this is what I think discussed with him not only a month ago, and I was not expecting it to happen. So, a lot of credit goes to him. This concept, which we thought only a short while, has become, I'm really very, very glad to see this happening. This event is also unique in many ways, because it is the first time we are associating with students of the institution as an institution, and under the guidance of their professors, they will be further mentored by the members of the civil society, and they together work to develop applications for India as a whole, for citizens of this country. So that's something very, very, very unique, and maybe we are doing it for the first time. How this event is, just to tell you the format, this event is basically, this complete contest rather is going to happen in two phases. First, which we have launched today formally, therein we are calling for we already have this 800 data sets. We are calling in ideas from the students of this school and this university, as well as anyone can give the idea that what kind of applications or what kind of visualizations or mashups can be done using these data sets. And I think they'll be open for about 2 weeks kind of time, and then there'll be a jury who will shortlist these items. And the ideas which have been shortlisted, they will be then allocated to different student groups. The groups here, and the person who had contributed this idea, if he's from DO, very good, even if from outside, he will be a part of that team, so that he basically translates his idea and helps you doing that. Then I'm very glad that a lot of members from civil society and open data community have volunteered to help all of you, because that will really help you understanding government and understanding the needs of citizens in a much better way, because they experience this. So that's also going to, I'm really thankful to all of them, and I'm really looking forward to this. We at NIC are quite excited about it. And let me tell you, a lot of my friends in international community who are dealing in open data community, a lot of academic institutions, after we have spoken to you in India, as well as open data community in India, are very closely watching this. Everyone is looking forward that how does this whole thing unfold. Because if you look at it, this event has a lot of positive takeaways from everyone. You as students get real life problems to work. We as government get some innovative apps and a kind of fresh ideas which, while sitting in over the time, we may not be even able to reach it. So therefore I urge each one of you that please put in your best, give the best kind of ideas and do a good apps. We have to make this event a success and we have to show everyone that this is the model of change. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving and apprising everyone here about the event. And I take the opportunity to invite the Director General NIC to address the gathering and give their advices to the students so that they can do much better during this event. So may I invite Shri Modi ji. Thank you, Professor. Additional Director General, DJT, Registrar, my colleagues, Madam Alka Mishra, and the civil community and the student community. Very good afternoon to all of you. I think from the same podium, I think I have addressed 2 to 3 times, maybe with a gap of 10-15 minutes back. I'm very happy to participate in the program of pursuit of an idea. I was also quite impressed by the infographic which has been run by the students. The students are putting over there. And I'm also very happy that present day youngsters would like to know about the scientists of yesteryears. You also shown Thomas Alva Edison. He is the one man who has invented so many patents, but till today nobody has beaten. He's done, I think, more than 100 years back, but till now, nobody, the number of patents which he has invented, nobody is in a position to beat him today. Student community. India has got about something like 80,000 colleges and 600 polytechnics, out of